Ready to upgrade your RV life? I'm John Levingston, and today I'm sharing the top 5 must-have RV accessories, ChatGPT approved. The right gear can turn a good trip into an unforgettable adventure. These are essentials I've tested myself, solving real problems on the road. From security to connectivity, power, water, and even the not-so-glamorous stuff, I've got you covered. Let's dive in and make your next RV trip the best one yet. First up, security. Most RVs have locks keyed alike, meaning your neighbor's key might open your door. The Latch.it RV door lock fixes that with unique keys and a built-in deadbolt. It's heavy-duty, easy to install, and gives you real peace of mind. I remember hiking all day, leaving my RV behind, and not worrying for a second thanks to this lock. For around $30, $40 on Amazon, it's a small price for big security. If you want to relax and enjoy your travels without worry, this is a must-have. It's the first upgrade I recommend to every RVer. Don't risk your safety. Upgrade your lock and travel with confidence. Check the link in the description to grab yours. Your RV is your home. Protect it like one. The Latch.it lock is a simple change that makes a huge difference. Don't wait until you have a scare. Secure your RV now. Peace of mind is priceless. Next, let's tackle water hoses. Traditional RV hoses are heavy, kink easily, and are a pain to store. The Zero-G lightweight hose is 50% lighter, super flexible, and kink-resistant. It's lead-free and safe for drinking water. Coiling it up is effortless, saving you time and storage space. I once set up camp late at night. This hose made it quick and frustration-free. A 50-foot Zero-G runs about $40, $50 on Amazon. It's more than a basic hose, but the convenience is worth every penny. You'll appreciate it every time you hook up to water or flush your tanks. Upgrade your hose and make setup a breeze. No more wrestling with tangled, stiff hoses. The Zero-G is a small investment for daily comfort. Find the link in the description below. Make RV chores easy. Choose the right hose. Third, connectivity. The WeBoost Drive Reach RV cell signal booster keeps you online, even in remote spots. It amplifies weak cell signals for all carriers and devices in your RV. I once went from no service to 2 bars of LTE in the Utah wilderness. Enough for a crucial video call. It's not cheap, about $500, but if you work remotely or need reliable communication, it's worth it. Stay connected for work, safety, and entertainment wherever you camp. The freedom to roam without losing touch is invaluable. If you need reliable internet on the road, this is your solution. Check the description for the link. Don't let weak signal limit your adventure. Number 4, power freedom. The Renogy 100W Solar Starter Kit lets you boondock and camp off-grid. It comes with everything you need: panel, charge controller, cables, and mounts. One panel keeps your batteries charged for lights, fans, and devices. The system is expandable as your needs grow. I've camped for days by a lake, powered only by the sun. No rationing, no worries. The kit costs $150, $200 on Amazon, and pays for itself in saved campground fees. Solar unlocks a new world of camping possibilities. If you dream of true RV freedom, start with solar. Link in the description to power up your RV. Last but essential, the Camco Rhino heavy-duty sewer hose. Dumping your black tank isn't glamorous, but a reliable hose makes it stress-free. The Rhino is tough, leak-resistant, and holds its shape for easy drainage. Secure fittings mean no mess or panic at the dump station. I've used mine for years in all conditions, never a leak or crack. For $40, $50, it's the best insurance against a nasty disaster. Don't risk a cheap hose. Upgrade for peace of mind. Every RVer needs a dependable sewer hose. Make this upgrade and never worry at the dump station again. The right gear makes even the worst chores easier. Check the link in the description to get yours. Trust me, you'll thank yourself later. Don't skimp on the essentials. That's my top 5 RV accessories, all available on Amazon. The right gear makes RVing easier, safer, and more fun. What's your must-have RV accessory? Share in the comments. Check the description for links, and if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more RV tips. See you out on the road.